Welcome back to Learn Smart. And welcome to this multi-part video series where we discuss some of the top equity mutual funds in various mutual fund categories in India. If you have not watched the part 1 of this video series, please watch it at the link highlighted by the I icon above. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 3 mutual funds in the Flexi-Cap, Focused, and Thematic fund categories. Disclaimer. Segment D, Flexi-Cap funds. 10. Parag Flexi-Cap Growth Fund, having been launched in 2017, became a top fund very quickly owing to its effective investment strategies. It has a 5-year return of 22.24% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. 11. PGIM India Flexi-Cap Growth Fund is a fund that is managed by PGIM India, a global asset management company with over $1.5 trillion in assets under management with a proven track record. It has a 5-year return of 24.57% and an expense ratio of 0.6%. 12. Quant Flexi-Cap Growth Fund is managed by Quant Capital, which uses a proprietary investment model that is highly effective in generating strong returns over the long term. It has a 5-year return of 23.22% and an expense ratio of 0.8%. Segment E, Focused Equity Funds. 13. HDFC Healthcare Growth Fund has focused investments in companies that are involved in the manufacturing, distribution, and retailing of healthcare products and services. This fund has a 5-year return of 22.4% and an expense ratio of 0.9%. 14. SBI Technology Growth Fund performs focused investments in companies that are involved in the development, manufacturing, and distribution of technology products and services. This fund has a 5-year return of 21.9% and an expense ratio of 0.8%. 15. ICICI Prudential Infrastructure Growth Fund has focused investments in companies involved in the construction, operation, and maintenance of infra projects. This fund has a 5-year return of 21.7% and an expense ratio of 0.8%. Segment F, Thematic Equity Funds. 16. Nippon India ESG Leaders Growth Fund invests only in firms trying to reduce their environmental impact, improve lives of their employees and customers, and operate in a responsible manner. This fund has a 5-year return of 17.3% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. 17. Aditya Birla Sun Life Dividend Yield Growth Fund is a thematic fund that invests in companies that are typically well established and have a track record of paying dividends. Dividend investing can be a good way to generate income from your investments, and this fund offers a way to invest in companies that are likely to continue paying dividends in the future. This fund has a 5-year return of 17.2% and an expense ratio of 0.6%. 18. ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Growth Fund is a debt fund that invests in a mix of equity and debt instruments. This fund is a good option for investors who want to reduce their risk but still earn some growth. The fund's equity exposure will help to generate some growth, while the debt exposure will help to reduce risk. This fund has a 5-year return of 17.2% and an expense ratio of 0.7%. We hope that you found this video helpful. That's it for the video. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts on the list. Please like and share our videos and do not forget to subscribe to Learn Smart for more such informational videos. Wish you a very happy and profitable investing.